In this video, I'm going to show you how to use analytics to see how your lead generation form is performing. After you have shared your lead form, you can click the View Stats link to see how it's doing. So here are the results of your lead form. This graph shows a daily snapshot of your form's performance. Here you can see the daily impressions of your form, which is how many people have loaded the form, and then shows how many people completed the form and how many people partially completed the form. By default, you will see the stats for the past week. You can select a custom date range if you're interested in a specific time period. Here you can see the exact number of people who loaded the form, which is the total impressions, and how many people completed the form and partially completed the form. To the right of those stats, you can see the completion percentage and partial completion percentage. In this case, about 43% of people are fully completing the form, and 28% of people are partially completing the form. If your partial completion rate is higher than your fully completed rate, you may want to consider making the form a little easier to finish, removing difficult questions, or cutting down on the number of questions. Using these analytics allows you to split test multiple forms to see which one performs better and has a higher completion rate. When you're done viewing the analytics for this form, click the Dashboard button to return to the dashboard. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.